Turkey's $10 billion humanoid robot factory, shocking the world with its groundbreaking advancements in robotics and automation. This massive investment signals Turkey's ambitious entry into the global robotics race, with the goal of becoming a major player in the humanoid robot industry. The factory, one of the largest of its kind, is set to produce some of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built, equipped with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and cutting-edge mobility features. These humanoid robots are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from industrial automation to service-oriented roles. With precision engineering and AI-powered adaptability, they can handle complex assembly work in factories, assist in healthcare by providing patient care, and even function in customer service roles, interacting with humans in a natural and intuitive way. The integration of next-generation sensors and deep learning algorithms allows these robots to recognize faces, understand emotions, and respond intelligently to their surroundings. What makes this factory truly revolutionary is its ability to mass-produce humanoid robots at an unprecedented scale. By utilizing advanced manufacturing techniques and automation, Turkey aims to drive down the costs of humanoid robots, making them more accessible for businesses and industries worldwide. This could significantly impact global labor markets, as industries increasingly rely on robotic workers for efficiency and productivity. Beyond commercial applications, these humanoid robots could also be deployed in critical areas such as disaster response, security, and space exploration. Their ability to navigate rough terrains, perform rescue missions, and operate in hazardous environments could make them invaluable assets in emergency situations. Military applications are also being explored, with AI-powered humanoid robots potentially playing a role in defense strategies. Turkey's entry into the humanoid robotics sector is challenging global leaders in the field, sparking competition with countries like Japan, the United States, and China. With billions of dollars pouring into research and development, Turkey is positioning itself as a serious contender in the future of robotics and AI. The question now is, how will this disrupt the global job market and technological landscape? Are humanoid robots the key to a more efficient future, or do they pose risks to human employment? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest technology innovations.